Alright guys, so I'm actually shooting with this GoPro Hero 11 Black in a 5.3K resolution, 30 frames per second in the HyperView field of view. Okay, so as you can see, it's really wide view here. Okay, yeah, so appreciate it, right? Alright folks, so now I'm shooting in a SuperView mode on this GoPro Hero 11 Black. Alright, so you can see it's not so wide anymore. Okay, a little bit more balanced in this mode here, but definitely the one you want to, like, you know, you don't want it looking too extremely wide. This is the mode you want to go for, the SuperView. Alright folks, so now this video is being shot with the GoPro Hero 11 Black in the wide field of view. Okay, you can see it's a little bit much more inner right now. Okay, yeah, definitely this will be like suitable for those who doesn't want like to show too much of the surrounding, but maybe want to focus on the host itself. And definitely the white is the best choice for you guys. Alright folks, so now this one is in the linear view. Okay, again also I'm shooting in 5.3K format, okay, and 30 frames per second. Yeah, this would be much more better if you do not want the distortion. Okay, linear is the way to go. Alright guys, so now I am shooting with the linear and horizon lock on the GoPro Hero 11, 5.3K, 30 frames per second. So look, I'm actually tilting. I'm tilting it. Yeah, basically it's cool, not bad. Look at that. I'm actually tilting. I'm really tilting it. Whoa, this is cool.